Hello, in this video we're going to be going over the different ways to warm up each of your body parts from your toes to your head before you practice yoga. So in this video we're going to be doing different movements that are based off of 10 reps and 10 seconds. This is going to be a great way for you to start your day. It's going to be a great way for you to warm up before you start your yoga practice. This is Roz, this is Jelly, and when they're in the area, they tend to cry less. So they're just gonna be joining us today. So we're gonna start off with our toes. So we're gonna do toe taps. So you could place both hands on your hips just to have more balance. And you're just gonna tap it either 10 times or for 10 seconds. Tap, 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 tap. Good, we're gonna switch over, tap the other side. 10 seconds, tap, tap, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna go to the ankles. So we're going to rotate the ankle for 5 reps in one direction. Switch directions, good. And then we're gonna switch sides. You could do this close to a wall or a chair if you're having issues with your balance. It's okay if you fall back down. Switch over, 5 circles. Good. So next up we have calf raises. So place your feet under your hips, your toes are pointed in front of you, and you're gonna press into the mat. We're gonna do this 10 times. 2, 3, 4, see if you could hold it when you get to the top as well, just for a brief moment. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then next we have march in place. So take your time with this. You're gonna lift up your knees, try to get it parallel to your hips, and just do this 10 times. Take your time with it. We're just gradually warming up the body, just moving each of our body parts, doing everything in just different movements and motions just to get the blood flowing. Good. Now next up, one of my favorites for reducing stress in the back, just warming up the body in general, are Ragdoll. So you're going to have your feet under your hips. You're gonna look straight ahead and you're gonna just let go of your arms and just twist like a ragdoll. Just allow your arms to swing back and forth and just focus on staying straight. Because right now we're just rotating our upper body and it's so nice. It's just a nice little massage too when your arms just hit your body and just the movement in general. It's so relaxing to me. You just do that 10 times, good. And then we're going to do a core twist. So same position of the feet as in Ragdoll, and this time you're just gonna look over to the right, hold for a brief moment, good, and twist over to the left, good. And when we're moving, we're using our core. Okay, so using your core to twist. Go over to the other side. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So next up we have bear hugs. So for bear hugs, you're gonna have the same stance as the previous 2 warm-ups, and we're going to take our hands and try to slap our back. And you do that 10 times. And every time you're bringing your hands across, you're gonna switch what hand goes at top. So you could start off with your right, slaps your back, then left is at the top, and then you just switch. Hopefully this isn't too bad on the mic. But this is a great way to warm up your shoulders and your upper back. Good. So next up we have arm circles. So you can bring your arms out and we're going to rotate the arms in one direction. Small circles, nothing too much. Do it for like 10 reps or 10 seconds. It's up to you. And then reverse the direction. Small circles, really warming up the shoulders. Good. Shake it out. So next up we have the neck. So for the neck, you're just going to look over to your left, look over to your right, look over to your left, and look over to your right. And you're gonna do that 10 times, back and forth. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And then we'll finish it off with tapping. One of the best ways to just like release tension and just really get everything flowing throughout the entire body. What we're going to do is you're just going to tap. Start from the top, back of the neck, chest, grabs, your back. For your back, what I like to do is I like to like almost create these like little C cups as if you're about to hold a cup, and then just tap the back. It really begins to just like release tension and just warm up the body, and it feels so good. So just tapping everything. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, sorry, bud. But, you know, you could watch this video anytime you want. Just take what works for you, okay? View this video as a way of learning just different ways you could move your body to warm up your body, different things that you could try and experiment with. You know, I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.